Hello people. Today I wanted to talk in Softimage about the option in immediate mode. How does this work? Why this option is inside Softimage? And I will explain to you in a minute after when I open up the scene. For example, I have I am modeling the chair. I actually have to hide everything else. For example, you want to edit object, you want to do some modification. If this option is off and you use the tools, but each time when you use specific tool, for example, add edge operator, Softimage creates in selection. When you check selection, you have like operators. They will be added each time, and this builds up history. It may slow down application. I just will add the extra edge here. Anytime you add new operators, they will grow up and you will have plenty of it. And after a while, your application may slow down. The same with tool like component, view plane proportional transform tool. Even when you use the viewplane proportional transform tool in selection, it will come up new operator. You can check. This may significantly slow down PC, slow down Softimage. Then you have to use the freeze modeling and freeze. When you turn immediate mode, your history will not come up. Softimage does not save any history when you check selection, and you won't see any history even after when you use tool multiple times. In selection, nothing comes up because when this option erases operators automatically. So, but pay attention and be careful when you want to animate objects. You shouldn't turn this on when you animate object or when you do rigging. I did research, but this option is useful when you use modeling tools and Softimage does not hold construction history when you turn immediate mode. So this can be useful for you people who build a model from scratch and no modeling history is being kept by Softimage when it's immediate mode. I hope you like my video tutorial. I hope that you found this useful when I explained what does this option do.